Staring at a flat blue screen while your lure sinks into the abyss feels like a guessing game from a bygone era. We have all been there. You cast out. You hope for the best. You wait for a tug that might never come. But the world of fishing electronics just took a massive leap toward total transparency. This isn't just about seeing blobs on a screen anymore. We are talking about a massive 180-degree view of everything happening beneath your boat in real time. The newest wide-angle live sonar system on the market claims to be the clearest one yet. It is designed to show you the fish, the brush piles, and even your tiny lure as it dances through the water. Traditional sonar was like looking at a history book. It showed you what happened 5 seconds ago as the boat moved along. This new tech is like a live television broadcast of the underwater world. The sheer scale of the view is the real kicker here. You get a wide field of vision in every direction. Whether you are looking ahead of the boat or straight down into the depths, the detail is incredible. You can actually see how a bass reacts to your bait. Does it turn away? Does it shadow the lure? You get that answer instantly. Setting it all up is surprisingly painless if you already have a modern high-definition display. You want to make sure your screen is one of the newer pro-level or touchscreen models. First, you need to check for software updates. Never skip that step. Then comes the transducer. Most people mount it right on the trolling motor shaft. Others prefer a dedicated pole. A pole is smart because it lets you scan around without changing the direction of your motor. Once that transducer is secure, you run the cable to the sonar module. That module then plugs right into your display using a standard high-speed data cable. After you flip the power switch, you just select the live sonar page. The system lets you jump between different views with a quick tap. You can look forward to find fish in the distance. You can look down to see what is right under your feet. There is even a wide scanning mode for looking across shallow flats. The resolution is much sharper than older versions. You get better separation between targets. That means you can tell the difference between a big fish and a clump of weeds. It changes the way you approach a lake. You stop wasting time on empty water. You focus on the spots where you can actually see life moving. It feels like a massive advantage, but it is really just about having the best eyes possible under the surface. If you are serious about chasing crappie or walleye, this kind of clarity is a total game changer. You see the flick of a tail. You see the strike happen before you even feel it in the rod. It is an intense way to fish. It keeps you engaged on every single cast. You are no longer wondering what is down there. You are watching the story unfold in high definition. This system is a serious investment for any angler. But if you want the most complete picture of the water, it is hard to beat this level of detail. It makes every trip more productive. You learn more about fish behavior in one afternoon than you might in a whole season of old-school fishing. It is about precision. It is about confidence. When you see that fish move towards your bait, your heart starts racing. That is what we are all looking for out there. Every movement on the screen tells a story. You become a better angler because you are finally reacting to what is actually happening. No more guessing. No more blind casting into the dark. Just clear live action that puts you right in the middle of the strike zone. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, this is the technology that is going to get you there. It is fast, it is sharp, and it completely changes the game.